I'm Jennifer Allan. I'm here as part of the Selector Pro program with the British Council, teaching music writing to an amazing group of people. And I'm going to give an open talk on my life in music journalism and also the tips that I've learned along the way. The focus of the activities has really been about a combination of learning how to think in a critical way about your own writing, but also really practical ways of improving it and doing interviews and how to email editors, all of the things that make music journalism seem very impenetrable from the outside, but should give people the confidence to be able to move forward in the industry and write for more people, more articles. I can't wait to see what everyone does.
De verdad que, aun cuando fueron pocos días, disfruté bastante, anoté muchas cosas, muchas más cosas de las que creí que hubiera anotado. No es lo mismo tener, por ejemplo, a un profesor en un salón de clases que te enseña las cosas a una persona con una cultura totalmente distinta y que es profesional, que te transmite las cosas de una forma más directa y de una forma mucho más realista.
I'm coming home with a bag full of music and recommendations, and I have these pieces of paper with scrawled lists of what popular music looks like in Caracas at the moment, and I have so much to check out. I'm really excited.